quick, this also came with a cam sensor, little heat shield. And yeah, so as you guys can tell, this is the ceramic coated. It's definitely gonna help dissipate heat. And that was an extra additional charge, but I think it's well worth it. Craftsmanship looks stellar. There's your MA Performance little logo right there. And another thing to note too is, compared to my Jap Speed turbo manifold, this has a lot better clearance for the hardware. The studs or bolts, whatever you're going to be using to mount up to your turbo. And then of course this is all going to be the same going towards your head. But very happy with this exhaust manifold. We'll go ahead and see what kind of numbers we'll get here in the future. But that's what you can expect with the MAP exhaust manifold, tubular exhaust manifold.